press D and then you press here. Then you control the motor from here, from hands. It is very enjoyable. It is good fun. You can have the control. Me change gear from here and from here. There is a button here and one button here. Here is plus and here is minus. I open, start engine, but now I press this. First D and then this. Now I change gear. Now it is number 1 inside. I go and now I change 2. Now I change 3. I control all motor. Now has number 1. I press knee and it is empty. Here is plus. If you have number 2, you press here number 3. You press here number 4. And if you press here, you have number 4, number 3. You press again number 2. You press again number 1. But if you don't press nothing and you stop, only when you stop and you have number 6 or number 5, when you go slowly, motor change alone. So yes, you can control, but when you stop, go slowly, then motor do it alone. Down, shift, number 4, number 3, number 2, alone. Because engine must work, so motor have to do it for you. And this is the gear system. Every time you start the engine, you have to press D to go. You have to wait 1 second and then look. First you have to sit. Before sitting you do nothing, it's dangerous. Look, I start the engine and no work. You have to wait 1 second. Now it's here. Danger. The motor with the automatic DCT, you have brake. Look. If I want to park downhill, it moves. Handbrake, no move. Press here. Handbrake, not move. Press here, move. Now, come here. If you press here D, motor does it automatic. Now this appears. I go free engine and disappears. I press here D, then here I can control. I can change it. Then I can make engine, I can make this motor change very quickly gear, or I can make it change it very later, more RPM. So I can make this motor change soon with little bit RPM, or I can make this more sport with many RPM.
you explain with explain. Like
I can make this motor control here, make a quick change, automatic. Then I can change here and I can make the motor more. You can control this here, okay, like I showed you before. So this is the system with a dual clutch, a basic explanation.